BombBomb rolling out this pilot with Total Expert, instead of me having to rebuild the journeys, the videos are just going into the journeys automatically. It's such a game changer from a time standpoint of view for my team, because now we can go focus on building more journeys and auditing journeys and making sure that the communication is correct and not have to worry about the customization side of it, because all we have to do is guide the MCs towards that, and then it automatically happens.
The Bombcast, mercifully short stories for the trusted advisor.
What are some platforms in your tech stack that you see bringing value to MCs?
Yeah. So, I mean, our tech stack is carefully built, right? Like everything that we build into the tech stack, we're looking at it from a variety of different angles. Value add for the MCs and the teams, value add for our real estate partners. Like, what can we bring to the table to them through this technology? So it is pretty layered, and we do have a large marketing tech stack, but Total Expert's our biggest vendor in our tech stack. So that platform itself brings a ton of opportunities to the table, just in the way that we have set it up for our MCs and their teams. We use Simple Nexus as our mobile app. And that is another one that probably is our second largest out of the whole marketing tech stack. Obviously, we are avid BombBomb users. I would say that's probably the third largest in our tech stack. And then we have a few other ones that are like your supporting cast, right? So, the Adworks of the world, the Percys of the world, things like that. So, but Total Expert plays the biggest role because it is the biggest vendor we have. And it plays nice with all of our other partners. And that's important for us as well, right? So how can we build that ecosystem up?
Now you're talking about how do they play nice with others, and you and BombBomb have been working on a little project, which is why we're having this conversation today, round 2 of the Bombcast.
Yep.
So this project is in partnership with Total Expert.
It is.
You have been running the pilot on this entire experience. You have been giving BombBomb feedback that has helped us custom tailor exactly what people in your seat need to champion and empower their LOs to see success and growing their own businesses. And then Total Expert has been great in partnering alongside us to have us build this in their platform.
Yeah.
Which has been amazing. How have you seen these partnerships coming together in creating this product save you time?
So when we build our journeys inside of Total Expert, we talked about this before. This is our foundation, right? We build it. We have an amazing team that structures these emails, and then they work closely with my team that helps with the flow of the journeys. We spent a lot of time on these, but we're also encouraging our MCs to personalize a variety of moments within these journeys. In order for them to do that, though, they have to record their videos in BombBomb. They have to let my team know that they've done them, and then my team has to recreate these journeys. That is a lot of time, right?
Yeah.
And it's funny because when I'm on the road or I'm with, Total Expert, and people are like, oh, Jelaire, like builds journeys, like it's no tomorrow. She's got 170 something live journeys in her platform. And we do have that many journeys live. But the catch to that is, because there is a catch, they're not all company-wide journeys. A lot of them are custom. A lot of them are MCs that have said, I want to add in video. And so my team has gone in and restructured the journeys for them. So by BombBomb rolling out this pilot with Total Expert, instead of me having to rebuild the journeys, the videos are just going into the journeys automatically. So while we're in pilot phase right now, right, we're working through kinks, we're figuring things out. it's such a game changer from a time standpoint of view for my team, because now we can go focus on building more journeys and auditing journeys and making sure that the communication is correct, and not have to worry about the customization side of it, because all we have to do is guide the MCs towards that, and then it automatically happens. And so the first time I saw it happen, the first time I went into a journey and I checked to see if that MC's video had come in and I saw it, there was a party in my office. I was very excited about this, because this is going to be a game changer for how we structure journeys.
The next is, how do you see this pilot benefiting the MCs?
Yep.
And how do you see this pilot benefiting PHM?
So benefiting the MCs, I think, is an easy one, right? Like, they're not going to be able to meet every new agent that comes into their office in person. They're not going to be able to meet in person with their clients every step of the way through their journey. And this is allowing them to connect with people on a whole nother level. And so I think the impact will speak for itself, as this is what happens here at PHM. I don't know about other companies, but when people reply back to video and to the MCs and they're excited about the videos, the MCs will forward those replies to my team so that we can see their clients and their agents getting excited about that. And so I think it will speak for itself. I'm really excited to see the metrics side of it, right? Like, I want to see pre-pilot, how are the journeys doing? Post-pilot, how are the journeys doing? So I'm excited about that. I know that we're going to see an uptick in emails opened and videos watched. I know it's going to happen. It's inevitable. So I'm really pumped about that. From a PHM standpoint of view, listen, anytime that you can personalize something, anytime that you can let your brand kind of flow through your messaging, if our MCs have the capability to do that, it's just going to level up the PHM experience and brand that much more, right? So PHM is a company, but we're built off of 460 MCs that are doing business under that PHM umbrella, but they each do business differently. And this is going to allow them to elevate that business and then also elevate that experience that those clients and those agents are having with PHM, which will translate. It'll translate into more business. It'll translate into better relationships. And so overall, I think on both sides, I think that the elevating is probably where I am the most excited, where I see the most value.
The Bombcast. Mercifully short stories for the trusted advisor.